What's the meaning of antitrust? Antitrust. 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 Antitrust.
Antitrust refers to the laws and regulations put in place to prevent monopolies and promote competition in markets. These laws are designed to ensure that no single company can control a market or price goods unfairly, which could harm consumers and smaller businesses. The result of antitrust measures is a more level playing field in the economy, where firms must compete fairly without any unreasonable advantages. This promotes innovation, consumer choice, and helps to prevent the concentration of power in the hands of a few large companies.